In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with Clickup. By the end, you'll be able to capture important emails into Clickup, create tasks right from your inbox, and keep work organized without copying and pasting. Start in Outlook with any email open. We'll add the Clickup for Outlook add-in. Look for Store or Get Ad Insurance. If you're using Outlook on the web, open the ellipsis menu and choose Get Add-ins there. In the search bar, type Clickup for Outlook, then select it and click Add. This installs the panel that lets Outlook talk to Clickup. Once it's added, open the add-in. You'll typically find it under the apps icon, then choose Clickup. Sign into your Clickup account when prompted. You'll see a list of workspaces you can access. Select the ones you want and click Connect Workspaces. If Outlook shows a permission screen from Microsoft, commonly Mail, Read and User. Read, approve it or ask your administrator to approve on your behalf. This permission simply lets the add-in read the email you're viewing and confirm who you are. Next, link your email account inside Clickup so you can send and log emails from within tasks. In a browser, open Clickup, click your workspace avatar, and go to Settings. Choose Email Integration, then select Sign in with Microsoft. Grant the permissions, set your sender and signature preferences, and click Done. If you're already working in a task, you can also link from the comment field, but it connects the same way. Now head back to Outlook to put it to work. Open an email and launch the Clickup add-in. If you want to turn this email into a task, switch to the New Task tab in the add-in. Customize the task's title, pick the list, add an assignee, due date, and any details that matter, then create it. If the email belongs with something that already exists, choose Attach to Task or select New Task within an existing task's context. The email content will be added to that task so your team can see it alongside comments, files, and status updates. Keep in mind, email syncing here is one way into Clickup. The message and details are captured for centralized management, but changes you make later in Clickup won't modify the original email back in Outlook. That's great for record keeping and keeping work in one place without affecting your inbox. And that's it. Thanks for watching.